As our week-long celebration of back to school continues, today we're focusing on an after-school snack that's not only fun and tasty, but one that's good for us. And let me tell you, these are good whether you're doing homework, heading to the ballpark, or simply watching TV. The first thing we do is line 24 mini muffin cups with paper liners. This will make these really easy to serve. Now we put some granola in a food processor along with a bit of melted butter. After pulsing this, we place a spoonful of it in the bottom of each liner and press it down firmly with our fingertips so it makes a crust. On top of that goes a spoonful of yogurt. As for the yogurt, that can be vanilla or really whatever kind you like. Next, we'll top these with some fresh fruit and into the freezer they go. Then, when you're craving a snack, simply grab one or two for a treat that's mom approved. You see, when you have a good-for-you snack rather than junk food, everyone's happier. To get the recipe for what we call fruity frozen yogurt bites, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and fruity way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.